Angry Miao ATM98 mechanical keyboard review. The quiet upgrade your desk was missing.
You sit down to work, open your laptop, and start typing. 5 minutes in, the hollow clack echoes across the room, and someone glances over. You tell yourself it's fine, but it pulls you out of rhythm. I had that exact moment during a late-night deadline. It felt louder than it was. Ever notice how small distractions quietly steal your focus? The problem isn't just noise. It's the mental drain of friction you barely register. Cheap stabilizers, inconsistent switches, hollow cases, they chip away at your energy over hours. By Friday, you feel it in your shoulders. I once swapped keyboards mid-week just to survive meetings. That constant low-level irritation adds up fast. What if control over your workspace felt intentional instead of improvised? This is where Angry Miao ATM98 mechanical keyboard enters, and everything changes. The mechanism is simple. Precision CNC aluminum structure combined with layered acoustic dampening transforms vibration into controlled, refined feedback. That's it. You get 6 quiet superpowers. First, the 8-layer damping with Rogers foam removes hollowness without turning the typing feel mushy. Second, the B-Sun light Sakura switches actuate at 0.90 millimeters for crisp response while staying whisper quiet. Third, the 98% layout keeps your numpad without wasting desk space. Fourth, the star ring control knob gives tactile volume and media control without hunting for keys. Fifth, less than 2 milliseconds wireless latency means your typing and gaming stay instant. Sixth, tri-mode connectivity lets you move from laptop to desktop without reconfiguring your setup. I tested it during a week packed with video calls, not a single comment about noise. And yes, I noticed the difference immediately. The sound became a soft, controlled thwack instead of sharp echo. Even better, the web-based configuration avoids complicated installs. Wait, deep customization without software clutter? That's allowed now.
Here's how the benefits stack. Immediately, your typing becomes quieter and more controlled. Within a week, you realize your workflow feels smoother because nothing interrupts your rhythm. Long-term, your desk stops feeling like a compromise and starts feeling intentional. One mechanical keyboard expert described the gasket mount and Rogers dampening as creamy silent typing without mushiness. A productivity analyst highlighted the 98% layout as the sweet spot between efficiency and space saving. A user wrote that the CNC aluminum shell does not move at all, even during intense work sessions. I watched a colleague switch from a plastic board to the ATM98 and pause mid-sentence just to comment on how solid it felt. That reaction told me everything. In real testing, the 1000 Hz polling rate with sub 2 milliseconds wireless latency performed on par with wired boards. That matters more than most people admit. After 3 weeks, I noticed my shoulders felt less tense during long writing blocks. It sounds subtle, but it compounds. Compared to typical mass-market keyboards, the Angry Miao ATM98 mechanical keyboard simply removes friction instead of adding features you never use. Which benefit hits you hardest? Clarity, speed, or control?
The Angry Miao ATM98 mechanical keyboard isn't about noise levels alone. It's about reclaiming calm control over the hours you spend typing every single day. More creators and professionals are quietly upgrading because once you feel the difference, going back feels unnecessary. Availability often runs in controlled batches, so waiting usually means watching it sell through again. Link in the description, first one, pinned to the top. Take a look when you're ready. You already know what focused work is worth.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.